Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even many with good incomes? It's a common struggle, but what if there was a simple budget system you could manage in minutes, without complicated spreadsheets or apps? A system that helps you understand exactly where your money is going and empowers you to take control of your financial future. Today, we're breaking down the 50/30/20 budget rule, a brilliant and straightforward system for achieving financial clarity and stability. This rule, popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren, offers a clear framework for managing your money effectively, making it accessible for everyone regardless of their financial background. The first 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs. These are your essential bills, the non-negotiable expenses that keep a roof over your head and food on your table. Think about your rent or mortgage payments, the cost of groceries, your utility bills like electricity and water, and minimum loan payments. These are the foundational costs of living that you absolutely must cover each month. Next, 30% is allocated for wants. This is your fun money, the portion of your income dedicated to enhancing your lifestyle and enjoying the fruits of your labor. This includes dining out at your favorite restaurants, subscriptions to entertainment services like Netflix, going to concerts, buying new clothes, or saving up for those well-deserved vacations. These are expenses that improve your quality of life, but aren't strictly necessary for survival. Finally, 20% is for savings and debt paydown. This crucial category is about building your financial security and investing in your future. It includes contributions to your emergency fund, which is vital for unexpected expenses, and investing for long-term goals like retirement. It also covers paying down any debts you have, such as credit cards or student loans, above their minimum payments, accelerating your path to financial freedom. A common and significant mistake people make is confusing needs with wants. It's easy to blur the lines, but understanding the distinction is critical for this budget to work. For example, that daily expense of coffee from your favorite cafe or subscribing to multiple premium streaming services are typically wants, not needs. If you lost your job tomorrow, would you still pay for them? If the answer is no, it's a want. To effectively start implementing the 50/30/20 rule, begin by calculating your after-tax income, which is your take-home pay after all deductions. Then, review your last 3 months of bank statements meticulously. Categorize every single expense as either a need, a want, or a savings/debt payment. This honest assessment will give you a clear picture of your current spending habits and where adjustments might be needed. Once you have a clear picture, set up automatic transfers on your payday. This means moving that dedicated 20% for savings and debt paydown directly into a separate account before you even have a chance to spend it. This pay yourself first strategy is incredibly powerful, ensuring your financial goals are prioritized. Your future self, with a robust emergency fund and growing investments, will undoubtedly thank you for this discipline. The 50/30/20 rule isn't about strict deprivation or cutting out all enjoyment from your life. Instead, it's about giving yourself permission to enjoy your money today, knowing that you are also actively building a secure and prosperous future. It's a balanced approach that allows for both present enjoyment and future financial stability, helping you achieve the financial freedom and peace of mind you truly deserve.